And we can redo it, so don't worry.
Yes. All right, well, I'll probably say the first thing. Now we're going to start doing YouTube and stuff instead.
Guys.
That's actually
oh, no, you're good.
Actually good.
All right.
All right. All right, so I'll yell guys, and then you grab the camera, turn around, and I'll kind of just be like,
So I heard that Toastybros is going to steal all of our computer parts.
So we stole their camera.
guys, come on. What are y'all doing? Guys.
I thought somebody was walking in here.
I thought so too. I got scared.
Let's build the computer. Hello.
Hello? All right. 3, 2, 1. We were even playing the new Call of Duty on this thing, and it rid.
Just moving that down.
Child labor PC.
Child labor PC, yeah. Some days it's fine, some days it's bad.
So it's a 750 build good?
500. You can see it live. Who sponsors this video? Let me check. Really down on that burrito. Guzzling that Rito.
Guzzling the Rito. These don't, and they don't have Gen 4.
No, these are Gen 3.
Yep. All right, support anyways. Because you're dumb. And you me.
Yo. Hi.
McAllister, get on this, man.
Get on this, man.
Give him a little slap on the wrist.
Working. 5500 XT.
No, let's get this one for 130.
130, yes.
Okay. This is 60 baby.
4 gigs of thumb width. All right,
For 4 gig.
talk about the test bench.
Yeah. You gotta do this every time. I'll go ahead and install it.
Oh, it's installed. There it goes.
There
we're
we
ready
go.
to go.
Let's game.
We're good. But now we're outro.
It's like we didn't even. It's like we fast forwarded.
PC Bros.
Girl Scout gamer girls.
PC Bros. Wow.
So $500.
500 bucks.
Now is this new like
New on eBay.
Okay, eBay. All right. Hello, RBBs.
Hello, McAllister. Duh.
It's $800. Huh?
$800 PC build.
All right.
But
Let's talk about bang for buck here.
Bang
real
for
quick,
buck?
guys. Yeah. Butt itches. It's a 12400 Yep. Stock cooler.
Yep, stock cooler.
And if you think you do, then you're dumb.
It's been tampered with.
This is the white RAM.
Yes.
Oh, is it 30? Oh, shit.
Gen 4, baby.
Oh, yes.
Has this little, oh, that was very loud. Like, ooh, it swivels out. Let's do it. Okay, I think we're good. Ah! All right, here we go.
Even AAA titles, we're running decent settings at decent. So I was
Laptop.
lab shut.
All right.
Or 8402. Holy shit, it's gonna be difficult. All right.
You're so fucking loud. McAllister, you're
3,
so fucking
2.
loud.
All right.
All right,
So
McAllister,
now-
we're gonna use unboxing B-roll, and he's going to talk about some of the tech specs.
God, this is such a long. Hopefully that should be enough room for
Yeah.
some. All right.
Let's move this in.
3,
So loud.
2. Done finishing up. We just got done finishing up.
We just finished. For
Woo! You boomers out there buying stuff for your grandchildren.
you boomers.
And also on a quick nighter.
Oh, it's this it's we got the thing. PCBros.tech. I had to swallow there. Sorry about that. I have to swallow real quick.
Swallow la la.
We're back.
We're back. What are you doing all the
Look
plugging
at little
things?
buddy go. Yeah,
I
make
think
sure
this
you're
is
not
okay.
like.
I don't think it's. Does it seem like it's rubbing my
No,
neck?
you should be
Okay.
fine. It's got holes.
All right. Here we go.
You look like you're thinking.
And there's not a thought behind these eyes.
You put on the low profile bracket.
Oh, damn, I forgot I had to do that. See, do I have the right screwdriver?
You don't have the right one.
That ain't the one, Chief. Have a weary eye.
Have an eyeball. Me eyeball. Shout out Leaksy.
Should we delid the CPU and reapply thermal paste?
Sure.
Okay.
Is this where we're wrong?
I don't know. I saw
That was a little too much. Do they love it?
next time I'm cutting the bracket. I refuse to believe it.
Guys, just imagine Jackson did all this backwards.
Well, first we have to breathe. In. And then...
You line her up.
I had a thought.
He had a thought. Listen, so you hear me twice, McAllister, in both ears. It's in the mayo aisle.
Sauce.
It's not under sauce.
It's not?
No.
It definitely is. It's
How
right
much you
there.
wanna
I'm looking right at it, McAllister.
He's
We're
gonna
just
keep
shopping
adding.
with this man now.
Mr. Box fan and Bolton.
I got a piece.
I just need a box fan. Don't let me forget.
McAllister, will you follow me to the bathroom when I pee while you're recording? Isn't that illegal?
I didn't think I'd be grocery shopping with Zach today.
Dude, I never thought I'd be in the grocery store mic'd up and bricked up.
You know what they call these in England? Sprinkles?
What do they call them?
Hundreds and thousands.
All right, here, we're gonna break off for a second.
I thought it was like over. Okay, I'm following you, Zach. McAllister, you can hear
Can
me.
you?
We're gonna really rub them head and shoulders.
Wait, how far does it go?
So McAllister, I heard you like baby formula.
We're getting food.
Oh yeah, we're getting you food. Looking for somebody to help us.
Zach.
It's like I am the employee now.
Attention Walmart associates, I need Rossi and Jay from apparel to infant.
Walmart. So this is the biggest problem with Walmart. There's nobody problem with Walmart. There. All right. So this is the biggest problem with Walmart. He's talking to the old lady.
Oh. Old man, take a look at
I think we found somebody, maybe.
McAllister, help.
I got into a naughty accident.
Yep, and now you have our video
All
recording.
right, now let's do it one more time so I get
Oh,
it.
Right, so that's a
so
picture.
you gotta hit the camcorder to start video.
Toastybros
So
tutorials
all I do
live.
is go to
Zach, can I pop this?
Yeah, I mean, if you want, you can just come in the frame and hold it.
You want me to see it on my knees and like hold it?
I didn't.
Matt is breaking
I
shit.
didn't do that. Hello, hello. Ryzen 7 7700X.
Hey, Habibis.
Hi, Habibi.
Oh, look. The furry. The furry RAM. Unboxing? Unboxing?
Unboxing. More than enough to play any game that you want, any game that you want. This card is going to be more than enough power that this card is going to have more than enough power for you gamers out there. Look, now, in all honesty, this is, well, that's not the power supply. It's over here. All right, let's try that again. I thought that was power supply.
Sleeve cables to go with the power supply if you want.
Where's dude?
What is this?
So I guess that, what does that do? Oh, it's a headphone holder.
That scared me.
It really just comes out. That's actually kind of cool. More rectus. Hello, hello. We're good. Mike's ready.
I'm just playing. I'm homosexual.
My name is Mike, and I'm ready. Hello, hello. We're good. CPUs, you're going to be...
Wow.
We don't redo these.
No, that was too long of a pause.
Until... Oh, well, it's not on. Well, it's not on right now.
What's coming up?
Well, you said it's on right now.
Is it not on right now?
No, it's not on right now.
What if the video gets moved back?
It's stuck.
Spooky 13.
We actually did redo this, but we're not redoing this again. Spooky 13. See you guys later. Goodbye.
Peace out.
Guys are going to have to edit that one.
Dude, that was so confusing.
The setup costs 500 speckles.
Would you rather your first name be Farquaad or last name?
Last name.
Matthew Farquaad.
Matthew Farquaad. I don't want to be Farquaad anymore.
Is it $500? Stanky leg.
All right.
Crook.
I'm a crook, apparently. I'm a robber. What's the name of this? What is this? Fog Rotten? Fog Rotten?
Fog rotten.
Ugh, it's so deep, I don't know if I can get to it. Can I just look underneath it? It is a red linear switch. McAllister will just cut all that and just see what I did. Oh my gosh, how did I open up Microsoft Office?
687 42.
I think it was like 30 bucks. The price wasn't even on Trello. The price is gone. Let me back that up. That was a mess.
No, you're good.
No,
bro.
let me redo that.
Just keep going. We don't
All
do
right,
retakes.
No, we're redoing that. All right. Okay. Now for the gaming keyboard, we have. All right, one more time. This is it.
Yep.
That's gonna be such a blooper.
Fog rotten.
Wait. First Blood only gaming mouse. It looks like it has a jazz, which or the surface that you're on the ground. I hope you're not using your mouse
Touch
on the
grass,
ground. I hope you're not
nerds.
touching grass, nerds. The name is Young Bass, and it's spelled wait, no.
Yang base?
All right, really. Y-A-U-N-G bass.
Yang base.
It's Young Bass.
Is this the one that was like
32 gigs.
32 gigs? Yeah, okay.
That I could not tell you the. Oh,
Just gonna restart the graphics card, McAllister.
All right, let's do that.
512 gig?
Yep, 512. I don't wanna.